Okay, let me connect. This thing is not online yet. This software. Since I'm using Mr. Lucas Ansu's Facebook page, it doesn't go public until I do this. So now I am live. Fellow people them for Southern Cameroons, citizens of Ambazonia, una good morning, una good evening for any place una dede I come for salute una today. Na me Capo Daniel, the Deputy Defense Chief for the Ambazonian Defense Forces of the Savannah States. I call una salute for all the 7 states of the Savannah regions. I also salute all my commanders and generals for the Atlantic region and all our population at home and abroad. Today I want to update una with an attack on one of our camp for Mba for the great state of Bui. I want to give una update and I go also throw a light for some things the way they go on for our revolution. Once more, all man una be welcome. I go just go straight. I don't know whether this thing they live on or not because I use now Mr. Lucas Ansu platform. But nevertheless, we go leave behind a digital footprint where other people that go fit can follow up which we would present and would talk them. So today now number 28 day for number 3 month for this year 2020, and all man be highly welcome. Our country would go through the coronavirus as well. We don't hear say don't come up for La Republic. He enter Kamsute for Bamenda, and we don't know what's way go day. People that need to be mindful say coronavirus when it catch we in particularly black people then would they get malaria before it take time before the symptoms is show. And the test you get the test with the do when a rapid test and then you get the diagnostic. The test then are the one the way they don't share them most countries they don't get them from China. Even if the test you be negative, you know mean say you know still get them. You really need a correct diagnostic. That fast test with the do you know, to be very accurate. It be accurate for people the way they don't catch coronavirus, so it don't stay past 10 days according to the way they don't talk them today. So all one need to be careful, and all man need to take care of your hygiene, and we need to follow up the show for Lucas Ansu, where one of our diplomats, them, Madame Amabo Cecilia, he will give a very good presentation on how with the tiny day. I will go also release some video them where you go show na how to make mask and wait for do if una dey for IDP camp and then una discover and say some man dan catch koro waiting for handle that situation. Nevertheless, I don't come today. I be need for come on live with one of my mentor and people that I don't always look up to them for training for this revolution. Shea Kavi, when I don't can replace it for inside the Savannah states for control our troops them, for monitor them, for make sure that they implement the policy them, for guide their operation them, and for assist as the Deputy Defense Chief under the leadership of Benedict Kwa, when I be my chief and my direct boss, and under the CIC, of course, of the Ambazonian Governing Council. So I want to salute all man for giving a situation report for the Savannah State in the great state of Bui. One of our camp for Mba, it then be attacked by La Republic. The population then call we will launch a counter attack, will drive them for the attack will be led by our General Caporal. I don't see some write up the circulate for social media saying that the Bui warriors they become attack La Republic before they run. Say they become for back up. Nothing like that no be happen. I will give una the video more and see exactly which way it happen. Now the same thing way that always happen for Bui. Every time our soldier then go for attack, Bui warrior they will hurriedly write story about and share them for social media. Who victory for ADF na victory for all man. But we want me all man begin engaged for the war so that all together all we go to work are fine and it go to be easy. And especially when tension and they so me they no begin claim our action them or for put pressure them for our groups and say me them begin answer that their name. I don't know what other thing be public. I need to see fine and need to see comment them, but I go hope the small comment section where they video the see You know, they like usual. I go see salute una as usual. Before I go for that presentation for showing the video, maybe we take this moment for sing our national anthem and for welcome all man after that national anthem. I go play in a half because we go do them very, very fast today. You shall live in plenty, meet in our need, and your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God be the watchman of His nation. So that is it. We salute all man at Talat for all Ambazonian Defense Forces and all our sister and brother forces that for Ground Zero who will collaborate small molo. I salute una. I give una 21 gun salute. Una flag the day for up at Talat for all man. I throw una salute for the Atlantic Zone. I throw salute for the DDC. Tapang Ivor for the Atlantic Zone and for all man. I salute una for all our sister forces them for the Gorillas. I throw una salute. I salute the Sword of Ambazonia and all other forces them where they cooperate to make we fight this war. One man, one objective for win La République du Cameroon. So all man be welcome. I go take time for salute the people that want to see them where they be visible. I salute Mama Amabo. Happy birthday, Mama. We celebrate your life. You're a wonderful lady with a big heart for the people. You have taken yourself upon the rule to be at the forefront, to stand there and defend the poor people who cannot speak for themselves. A voice for the voiceless. I salute you, Mama Amabo, Cecilia B. I salute you also, Rudolph. I salute you. I want to salute and congratulate our president for the AGOF-C faction for China, the mission head, Mr. Prince. I salute you. You're a noble person. I salute. I also congratulate Amik for become one of the hosts for the people them for China where they belong for the AGOF-C. If I meet them organize themselves as well and other groups them organize themselves, meet them collaborate with each other. And I know that group na powerhouse for China. I get all the best brain there for China. I salute all man for East Asia. I salute una people them for back for Africa, for Ghana, for Nigeria, all IDP. Now who the username Kuntakite? Mercy Akwe, I salute you. Welcome for House Luis Aro. I welcome una. I know they actually get any statistic from Facebook right now, so I know if you already know which it go on, but wata. All man for us, I salute una. Elvis Aku, I salute una. I trace salute for all man for Ground Zero. All the informer, the Murandos get so many. I just want to be encouraged. I be so encouraged with the people there for Bamenda, for the city, the capital city of the Savannah State, for all the intel with the GAM. People that send me picture for La République, them for market, one way that they can shop. I don't appreciate them all. I keep all those pictures them private. We need to share them, but we use them for intelligence, for act on for the ground. I want to salute in particularly the Bamenda Brigade. We not fight for 3 weeks, no stop. We not master the terrain for the new fighter the way they don't come. I want to salute them all. And I make appeal, say me all pump action them for all royal area. They move na send them for inside Bamenda. Any general way no one give a gun for another person, me say the person me come hold on for day. But I want say me will focus for Bamenda because with the CC La République they confuse. And since I don't move the major operation them from the rural areas, I prioritize Bamenda center. It don't reduce the burning of our villages and La République du Cameroon because they control the Savannah State from up station. They attack the whole they do and for they don't overput them pressure. We need to continue to put them that pressure. We need, of course, a lot of money for do those operations them. At the appeal, at the beg una make una put una hand for una pocket, una support the takeover funds when I would want to use them for take over our country back, for empower we so that make we do our job. When continue for collaborate, we'll be very happy for welcome the Mezam fighters the way they be there under the county section. They don't approach me for collaborate and I say they we go to fight together like brother and sister for one place, for one port. If we the fight it pass una, we'll come back up. If we fight it pass, we will come back up. Now say we're supposed to fight. Nobody say they go talk say all man for one place must carry one name. No, that one a corny way for destroy other forces. If something happen for your place, you no get place to stay. When I come, we go give una place to stay. We run the host plenty fighter them across the country. Will be advantage because we'll be a nationalist group. We'll get thousands of fighters them. We'll get heavy trainers them. We'll get professional fighters the way they give professional advice. Would also help for give them good ideology for make sure say me that they fight me their work me count. Nothing in that the benefit will get a big network of Ambazonian fighters them all across our national territories, safe houses and we protect our fighters and they now the best approaches for fight. We carry forces then we want carry operation from one area, then gather themselves correct where they fit carry that operation successfully. We move them for they put them for other side so that me they not begin the target specific communities them because of our activity them for they. So now the advantage that I could continue for encourage all fighters them for ground zero, make una know believe all this poisonous ideology of a government who will never yet get a country. Make una just fight for liberate our country. Una work with we hand in hand will be the key. Will be that the main faction where it operate for ground zero will get access for unlimited weapons and na money the jam. So una work with we hand in hand. Even for procurement, we will help una for buy them. And I encourage the other frontline leaders them. The one the way they for outside also where they fight for hard for our people them. Me then try for work with we will be the best option for them for work with them because when they collect money when they just send 200,000, 500,000 for general and for ground, it not be encouraging for them to take and go buy weapon. They so one day they go buy weapon, but when that money they come from diaspora with all that condition for loyalty and all those things, it do create a lot of confusion. When I generate on our own base from ground zero, on our own commander, if we help, we train them, una do our own training, una bring on accusation, set up on a force. No, if we can use other conny way for begin take people their forces them, and then begin use them against them, it just create a lot of chaos. So once more, all una welcome. We will go directly for the presentation for our gear for una today. For tell una say our forces then be stronger today than they did ever be. Will be more better. Before I want to go for the other distraction, make I give una exactly the presentation I be getting for una today. La République du Cameroon, as I tell una, then launch an attack for one of our camps and for inside Bui, the great state of Bui. Might get the video ready. Just a moment. Okay, it is ready. So Obi, welcome for house. Martin Monono, I know if you go ahead and no salute now. Oh, be welcome for house. Yes, so the government of Cameroon, the occupation forces that are occupying our territory, the territory of the southern Cameroon, Ambazonia, have launched a major attack with 15 vehicles. They first brought 13 vehicles and later on they brought 2 more vehicles in Bui, the great state of Bui. They launched attack against one of our major camps in Mba. That camp is under the control of General Kapura. They launched the attack. Our forces were overrun in our first gate. They withdraw themselves. They came in, they started destroying the house. They targeted the house, the family house of General Kapura, and our forces were forced to intervene and they successfully stopped that attack, that incursion from the occupation forces. They burned a lot of houses. Let me present to you the video that is coming from the ground. This is General Kapura.
General Kapo this, General Kapo has this. Now all things this we don't broke.
So this is the house of a general. He doesn't live there because he's a gorilla. This house, his brother was living there previously. His brother was kidnapped and he was later on released. So wait till down here in La République, they can attack that village again. Then can't target the house directly. When I see say they not burn the house, they not burn the house. They booby trap the house. Then put plenty bomb them for the house for trap them when the one can be explode. But the worker bomb a civilian the house for inside Buide. But our forces then be stop them before the video they be record and so now here the general ID report.
When they attack some place where the no born house, me no man no you go touch anything for there. A grenade is where the only can put them for here.
You see that one a hold for grenade where they don't put them for there. I hold that for grenade. What general then be well trained and advantages we would want educate all forces then for ground zero. Me wanna be very vigilant. Every time La Republican attack a house like that way, it belong for any soldier or even for the community. They put bury grenade them for the way they destroy and harm a lot of our civilian them, even some forces them. So we wanna be very mindful of all these type of things in a training and this was soldier then get and then be very very professional when I see the video we send them.
So I can't discover them now so. Oh, Kaku this way they won't destroy. You see all place.
Yeah, them broke the house.
They scatter and put grenade outside.
So many multiple grenades and they don't plant grenade them the way. People the one can rescue the house, the one touch I go destroy it.
So you were shoot and they hospital as I talk now so motu then the still come.
So now yeah they shoot one of our fighters today. it take treatment. This video now for the checkpoint at the first barrier this will get them before you enter for inside but La Republic du Cameroon they overrun this place because a checkpoint was so that they no be feel resist so much then leave abandon the place, then burn the place down. And if you watch the video.
All this. When I'm suitable in Shirani for checkpoint.
So do one at checkpoint, you go see, you go take video show am now see at the Bonbon village then for so na fire that. See, that's the fire. The ramp first stop, then La Republic down withdraw. Later on, they can still come back again to can attack them. So this is the situation report for the great state of Bui and General Caporado's footages that they come. Our forces the ram do a counter attack, contrary to WhatsApp messages sent by the Bui warriors that it was their forces that came. No, it was our forces entirely. Our forces, we beat them back and they have withdrawn. We have heard that they have tried to come again, but our roadblock could not permit them, and they are weak, they are demoralized, they are cowards. They can just go around burning the house of innocent civilians. So now exactly where it didn't happen for the great state of Bui. That is the situation report. So I go take this opportunity for address which way to go on. I go talk this time not be like the deputy defense chief, but I go talk like an activist, Capo Daniel. So I go need for begin to understand those differences then. So first I go start with Dr. Ebenezer Akwanga. The man we want carry the name say Papa Ambazo. So say Papa Ambazonia. Leave God didn't have outside. So now here Dr. Ebenezer Akwanga will be done the tell una already say people the way they go for that Swiss deal. Now people the way they don't already compromise themselves inside their mind. When I be here before Ebenezer Akwanga, man we become for China, can they tell we so if we win La Republic du Cameroon with AK-47? The same man he don't go turn around. Start begin preach the logic of the enemy. Say me go lay down weapons. May if we no go now for negotiate, they go can't drag we na drag we because Sako don't call it go put for room. Let countryman talk for you for country talk. Tell listen that they do this way, they na chop this way. I'm not sure say na only those chop, but it be sure say from way to way the president for the consortium, John Ba Akuro we talk way to way. Even his own representative way we go there for inside Switzerland talk for winner say. That way they go to Switzerland, they start one try to tell them a corny way they fit surrender for accept defeat for La Republic. If first thing we talk no before stand up for challenge the HD. But two way Akwanga come out for they talk na say me they make sure say 30 million where La Republic du Cameroon owe for the touch away they begin me them pay them for ye. So that one already signed for show we already know say eventually it go to do it way they do am. Now it is Ebenezer Akwanga of all people. It is sent later for reduce our struggle into a national problem. He don't come up for game, he is done. He doesn't represent the revolution anymore. And for people the way they see follow Akwanga, for the follow Sokadev, or the follow APLM, the piece they never struggle, for ye for come out officially for tell we, they want to tell and say which way did they tell we even be less than which way did they do and for our back. Now document we don't send them for outside, the talk say they don't talk for the war for the international community, say they want to make the struggle be considered like a non-international armed conflict. Now the later this year on a piece of the non-international conflict, that means say would fight for independence when an international conflict. They want to reduce it now into a local matter where the UN no go be concerned, no be a fight for them again for independence, make them leave our fight for independence. Most of their fighters, them by the way, they already leave them for a long time ago. So I will show now exactly where to be Sokadev. Me gonna remember because what people then get short memory. When I remember say Sokadev no first day for fee. They no first day for fee. When I remember say Sokadev, now the same fight way first way they be there for inside Pinning people that we come out beat them because of which way Colonel if they're one of their Colonel Bina Colonel Diamond, the atrocities the way they commit them for inside Pinning. Now population will be played. I think myself. When I hear the population.
The men has come now. Yes, the men has come. We're going to go. We're going to bring Kanamo. We're going to bring Kanamo. We're going to bring Kanamo.
Now the Sokadev that way be there for them. No, I remember. So now the Sokadev that now the people this way they want to spoil the struggle because they know first they put ground, their fight at the put ground, the population no first wants them as we see them. Maybe that.
Yeah, Poporo.
Now the fighter in that.
Terrorists, Poporo. These are the terrorists. Poporo.
The local population, they call the Sokadef forces them before the one drive them from Pinyin as terrorists them. Despite the propaganda about ADF, we never ever see the kind thing for ADF. Now the kind forces them that way Kwanga begin them. Now the kind ideology that way if soldiers will practice them. We don't see how they go close church door for inside Mato, then go close the door for Catholic church for day. Those type of things, and I think in that way they become. Dr. Ebenezer Kwanga, now the group that now the Sokadef, I want to remind you now, say a true viable force no go ever do it way they want do am. Ma play on a video for Sokadef after they drive Sokadef, La République du Cameroun can enter for inside Pinyin for day. They can last corner we.
As you can see,
Have people already said Pinyin?
this is breaking money. This is where we spend night. This is the refugee. We are on the hill. We were yesterday in the bush. Today we slept in the hill. Yesterday we slept in the hill. These are your people. They say they are in Pinyin coming to.
Another year, na for Pinyin that when the people of Pinyin, La République continue for terrorize them. Then 10 na for their youth, then 10 na for we. For the ADF, some who come can help them. Ma play video, when I see General Efang na come out camp for day. They ask and say, which way ADF they do and what's the ADF day?
No man no get two, or no man no get on different place or a different side where they fight for the revolution. All we can in one direction.
A general that.
Why will we get to fight ourselves? Now we will defend the revolution. Why did they work for ADF? First, I mean ADF. Back. Commander of ADF. Back. Why did they work for Red Dragon? Why did they work for Superdef? Why did they work? There's so many groups. When they come to this environment, they are the soldiers inside this environment. Where they protect the citizens inside environment.
So now here, na General Efang that, na big number that way they want kill him. They want make a man believe say na man way they harass people, them harass civilian, then they try to pin it down for inside Kugwe for can destroy our future. Now they think this, now they work this for ADF, then come for inside Pinyin. When the last say La République du Cameroun, Pinyin can be exposed, they kill the people them. General Efang, big number, the general of general, the supreme commander for all Ambazonian defense forces them for ground zero, where they collaborate with all brotherly forces. Nobody say that one can take any money force. Now that what job who come for inside Pinyin can supply them weapon, for give the youth them the ability for defend themselves, not for terrorize them, for defend themselves. We not talk say me them come under we, now then say self. Talk say the one come under we. Now the forces in this opinion, ma play the video, me gonna see them. Now then this, now the reaction this.
Yeah, we will make this video now for Pinyin. Now we will Pinyin with the top. We will make this video now because we will be there for midday water and we will not be no side for follow. And now we don't make our decision. We will be there for Pinyin, so we will not get no big man. We will fit talk say in our parties. But now we will get for make our decision. But now we don't make our decision say we are par. Now general big number. We are ADF. Because I know we be picking for power. Power not give me nothing.
Now yeah, now the general enough for the picking the rank come out, they don't arm them big number rank come for them before they want go cash big number. When I want ask and say why did they cash big number? Why did they want try to destroy ADF? Now because now they work would work at do would work a help group them for ground zero for come together. Would work a give them supply them weapons them. How general ba I will be do am. They be deny that time saying they do am. Now when I hear testimony they come out with the rank kill am. Now the same way general Efang it work at do am. We don't supply them. The people they don't come back again, they go use their country people them. Now so say their country people they walk away, but they go use on their country people them for diaspora. Say na county head, now they be government now. That people then come back for that very village where they want beat their man, kill them for them this army. They don't go call General Damami come but they can kill General Cross. For the very place. Now the thing in this way they do them, I put this thing them when I think we don't pass so that me gonna know exactly where to the happen for ground zero. Because they go come with their propaganda, La République du Cameroun, go they do their propaganda, they go they add their mob day for take political advantage But which way did they do am for the few? Now for destroy our prospect for get independence, for destroy our effectiveness, for destroy the structure where it be effective for protect our people them. So now why that one I need to know exactly all these things the way it happen. So now the work in that way ADF they do am for inside Ambazonia, all across Ambazonia. For them to come on now talk say the one go give ceasefire. Even apart from this, wait till where General Efang, I mean General how do they call it, the CIC for Sokadef, Ebenezer Konga, wait till they run the do. Since this struggle start, they be tell us say that they control acquire na lie. Since this struggle start, on run here, they don't take action for whose side. Apart from the action, yesterday they go disarm na ADF, they go disarm. The last time they come for Wakam, for inside Wabene, they come for Wakam, they catch them, will release them. They talk say they be going for down road for go do operation. No operation, no be go for day. That way they the one do goes down, they can't travel, put their own different goes down. Sako a comedy use na them now for begin attack and disarm our forces them. Ma play the video. Now this moon I remember.
Okay. So the material in this way will be taken by the way was a next mugian for Amoka. So now the material in this will be hand for them. Yes. So run the material.
And the work that way they be doing for ground zero.
The Sokadef and the ADF and the material they already hand for them.
So now the Sokadef fighter and that their main job is being for work disarm ADF. Disarm ADF. Now because we don't take time for talk for them. I don't talk for many of them. Talk for them, educate them. Me them forget about that wrong ideology. Before when I want to see the one get the gun, no be say I Kwanga be support them. No, you know be support them. Most of the fighters they don't melt. As I talk for you now, so we go to inform all of them where Kwanga the work I do with their name. Now the same way when I hear her for BBC, Chris Anu they talk about restoration forces. Say any force where they call our restoration forces, no matter what they do and when they under it because they get document where they be done make and say restoration force na their name, na their forces than that. So me no man for ground zero not ever use that word against a restoration force. Me no activist unless if you want support na Chris Anu and Sako. Una no use that their name again that restoration force. What na restoration for restore West Cameroon on Aweti. Now the fact that way they now whether they be the camp for Koni before. The first one when I go first Capo Daniel, he must use this name. He must use this name. Use logic where you need to work. They will come to village talk say all man for that village must use one name, one group. They know one group, but when they do the group things them. So I not go talk plenty, my country people, because work is plenty for us. Work is dey plenty. But around show now way to way these people that they do them around our territory, or around Sabi, around inform about our operation for today. A lot of things and they for do them, but na time in no day. So we work more for behind. On they oversee me for social media because of so many responsibility. I work very hard night and day for make sure say make the takeover program we would already launch make it get into full gear, and I for make sure say we coordinate for fight strategically against La Republic. We big ambition them for Ambazonia. We get big plan them for move the ball. We get big plans them. A lot of things where a lot of people they know will never share and will not share for inside social media. Yeah, when I remember the revolution shall not be televised. How many activists on Aransi and they don't publish Dr. Yabacho's speech where he denies there is no ceasefire? Because they already push those things them for the international community. Wait where they do another blind fool. But I tell you, say me gonna not rely for any man, me gonna not beg no man again. When I rely on ourselves and for engage positively for make sure say me all the zamzam them be converted, and many of them be converted for sure. When I see wait away the ADF they do for
Amazonians today na the March 2020
we fight against kidnapping, against banditry, for make sure say me what people them be safe. Now boy then this way they don't go catch them for inside one of the FACO brigade, ADF FACO brigade, they don't catch picking way they go harass our civilian them. Now they do kidnapping, they use the name of ADF for spoil our struggle. Now this way they don't go catch. I be done inquire because no be my jurisdiction, but they be done inform me say the boy then be released after this. Then be sure say the pikin no go see do that kind of thing again. They let me go for a house. Now they work this way we do for ground zero, and now the kind thing in this way we go give you the victory. So make una no hesitate for stand for our back. So my play on the audio where I about children say nam. Una no say this one no go be. You know go there for outside because the revolution shall not be televised.
And so when the Swiss so-called charade was called, we studied the articulations, we studied the posture, we studied the procedure, and we came to the conclusion that the Swiss charade was not designed to resolve the conflict between Ambazonia and Cameroon.
So when I watch this speech with Dr. Cho Irangiam, the leader of our war of independence, the executive president of the Hague of Sea, when I listen for he hide and talk, he explained for when I say, will not be a radicalism, will be rational. The Switzerland, we don't approach them, we don't talk about them, we don't talk for them also with the other country, the way they be willing for help. They actually accept where we will decide our position, say we need to have that conversation, that negotiation out of Cameroon, out of Switzerland for a neutral place. They don't accept them all in principle. So me, the people there, they want try for go use them for make and say me will look for divide the struggle into radical and not radical side, reasonable and not reasonable, so that they will go negotiate with them. Me they know say they will fail because we'll be reasonable and we'll be transparent. All man they see exactly where they go on. And all the activism where they know go put this speech me gonna listen to when I begin wise up for where they happen, because now small compromise in that it will make people them go eventually do the bigger one. If they not feel bold enough, whatever so reason, they need to put the revolution first and for make sure that they put the right thing. So God bless all now. As a Lord now, when I keep our fight at them in prayer, when I keep General Kapo where they run battle at Republic du Cameroon, and all of our other forces, when I pray for Bali people that they see find their voice, they realize the lie where they didn't tell them, why would they believe other forces them, because they become lie, they say they've been a government, now they lie and say they've been another country group for county by county, but we give forces them for all those places then as well. When I so people are very village them, when I pray for them, me them find their voice, me them do the right thing, me all with the fight. We need to be united in diversity. We need to be united behind the goal of independence. We need to be united against one enemy. Diversity is strength, it's not a weakness. No man can use that one to bring in wrong ideology them. La Republic du Cameroon, they get different sections of army, they get gendarme, they get army. Or they go for mission together, they get joint patrol sometime them. No one they complain is talk say na gendarme, na police, na army. Or they know say they get na one way, na one government, na one country. Now we no get government, but we also get na one goal for independence. We get one people, the people for Southern Cameroon for fight for. We fight for that one country, and so we fight them. What are you doing? Fight from your village, you be free, but no go stand begin oppose other people them. No begin bring lies, because lie begetted lie, and eventually it lead for murder. We don't see them plenty. So all na me una go find God bless una. We turn up strong. Our people that for Ground Zero will continue for chop fire, will hold grass until independence is achieved. God bless una. We pray for our IDP them. And we also pray for the one the way they for inside Kondengi, for Seseko and all the Naira 10. And we also pray for all the 6,000 of our detainees them will Republic du Cameroon hold them for their torture center them. May God give them strength and give their family strength and give us quick victory so that those people then will be liberated as we will liberate the all 5 million Ambazonian the way then they out of jail. God bless you now and may grant we quick victory for an independent and democratic Ambazonia. Ciao.